Okay, good.
So the first stage is conceptualize the idea, and at this stage we'll be assembling the project management team and assigning roles and responsibilities. And the brief, we'll also produce the project brief, and it's going to contain a brief overview of the remittance mobile app project, and it will focus on, it lays the foundation for embarking on the project, and it's expected to guide the project sponsor in making a decision on whether to go ahead.
And I make a decision? And I make a decision, what happens next?
Okay, and then after making the decision, we go to the strategize and initiation stage.
Okay.
And at that stage,
Sorry,
fifth top recipient of remittances in 2013, so we are banking on this, we're using this as a basis. Yeah, and then we're using what's called to the
solid foundation, meaning what?
That's giving us this foundation.
Okay, to make a business case.
We're making a business case for
Carry on. You're defining your scope.
Yeah, defining our scope.
Using, trying to identify what must be done, what should be done, what will be done, what will be done, using more scope organization. Yeah. Carry on.
Okay, and then what should be done? iPad and tablet on iPad and tablets.
Okay.
And we'll only implement this if there's spare time on the project. And what could be done? We could do it on the web. So a situation whereby from your mobile app, it links to the web as well.
Okay, that's questionable because if you're gonna, but it's okay. Carry on. So you have a justifiable business case. I signed up for a business case. What's happening next?
Okay, so we are now at the plan, assemble, and control stage.
Why would we go to plan, assemble, and control stage? What about the control documents? What about the reporting tools?
Okay. Yeah.
What about the framework? What about setting up governance?
Yeah, we'll set up projects.
Or at least adhering to governance in place in regards to the PMO framework that the company follows.
Yeah, so at this
Okay, minus 10 for that. First. Get that detailed requirement is signed off, allocate budget and resources to it, and end up with a definitive project plan.
yeah, we do have.
Well, why didn't you say that first? Minus 10. Okay,
just reading that.
carry on.
Okay, so based on end user requirements, it should have the they want to have the ability to transfer and receive money easily from the UK to Nigeria using an Android or a smartphone, and it must have record of previous transactions.
We understand that, so you define the scope of work. You now have a detailed requirement list, you allocate your budget and resources, you have a definitive project plan, you're then agreeing ongoing reporting process, agreeing ongoing quality review process, agree a change control process in place, just have certain control measures in place, okay, so that project agree the reporting process and then get a sign off to move on to what stage? Implement and test. Okay, so at implement and test, I think you're going to be following this development life cycle. What's that life cycle?
SDLC.
What does that mean?
Software development life cycle.
Software development life cycle. So you're going to be following the software development life cycle. What approach would you be using? I mean, are you going to build it in phases?
Yes.
What phase? How many phases?
2 phases.
Okay, what's phase 1?
So phase 1 is the Android app, and
phase 2 is?
Phase 2 is the iOS.
Okay, why would you use okay, why? So you build it. Phase 1 will be Android. Okay, what approach are you going to use?
Waterfall.
You're going to use the waterfall approach. Why are you going to use the waterfall approach?
Because we already have the module, there's a similar app that exists, so we can we use the framework of the existing app on the Android.
So because, say for example, Rod Variant already has built it, so we're going to just replicate what they have.
And then make adjustments to suit our target market or other functionalities.
Very good. And for the phase 2?
And for the phase 2, we'll be using the Agile.
Minus 10.
No, Agile.
Agile, whatever you say, costs you minus 10. Alright, I'll tell you why. Think about it. You use the waterfall approach because the model already exists. Yeah? You use the waterfall approach because the model already exists. So you build it for Android. Now you're going to replicate the same thing on iOS, just on an iOS platform. So you're using the same models, right? So why do you need an agile environment for that?
Well, as the implementer, we have to create user story because it's not located on the iOS platform, so then man.
The one that exists only on the Android.
Who created it on the Android?
The one Reverend.
No, your phase one. Who created it on Android? You created it on Android.
Yeah,
So now you're going to create it on what?
On iOS.
Is it going to be a totally different app, or is it just going to work on Android? It's going to work on Android. So the models already what? Exist. So why would you now go and use an agile process when it's a simple waterfall approach? By the way, you use the waterfall approach for the first phase because the models already existed via a different company that created it. So why didn't you use the agile approach for that one instead? Does it make sense? Yeah, it's something you have to think about. You don't want to enter into this auto mode where waterfall first, then that means that we're going to use agile next. You've got to think about it. I hope it's making sense. You've got to think about it. Thinking because you have to ask yourself, these things already exist. We're not innovating or creating new ways of doing things here. It's very easy to establish business.